Hi all of you, welcome to FEDNA video tutorials. In this video, we will learn how statistics work in FEDNA. For this, we will log into the account panel. For a SaaS customer, you can use accounts.fedina.com for login into your account panel. For a CDS customer, you can use the server credential where your FEDNA is installed. Now let me log into the FEDNA account using the username and password. So this is the first screen when you have logged into your account panel you will get. You can see overview, the number of schools you have created in your account panel, statistics. If you have multi-group credential, you can see the multi-groups here, and payment gateways. You can see your company details, profile of your company details, and number of licenses you have purchased and number of licenses you have used. Now we will explain statistics in this session. You can see here, as an account panel admin, I can see all the admitted student, relieved student, admitted employees and relieved employees, course details and finance details, total fee collected and dues, applicant registration, admitted student, attendance for the student and employee attendance. Go to the first one, admitted students. Here I will admit one new student in my institution and we will see the changes. Total admit student is this much for all the institution. In this account panel we have a total of 10 schools. So here you will get the overall count. If you are clicking more option, you can see all the schools and their new admission as well as total admission. We will admit a new student in one of the institution in this account panel. Give the username and password. Go to menu, academics, student admission. Now fill the student details here. And his other details. I will admit the student into any of the available batches in this institution. Now we will change the admission date to today's date. We have to see the statistics accordingly. And save this. So in the statistics you can see there is no student for day. If you are reloading the page, you can see one student is admitted. You can go for more and you can see for this school one student is admitted. So this is how we will check statistics after admitting the student. Now second one, relieved student. Now let us delete the student and check the statistics. Delete the student and student leaving the institution. Any meaningful reason you can give here. Give the current date and delete. Student is archived successfully. Now go to the page. You can see the count here and reload the page. Relieved student changed to 1. So like this you can see all the relieved student in one institution. It can be, as discussed, it can be one day or last week or any other day. Now here you can see total admitted employees. You can admit a new employee and you can see the changes. Now let us admit one employee. In administration, human resource, employee management, employee admission. We will admit a new employee now. Joining date, you can give today's date. Some department, position, and category, his experience information and all. Here you can fill all these details and save. Check the statistics again. Count is 0 now. Reload the page and it is changed to 1. So like this you can delete the employee and you can see relieved employees. Now here you can see the total available course for the institution. Today I have created one course and you can see the change here. We will add one more course and we will check the changes. Go to menu, administration, courses. I will add a new course. You can give meaningful name and code, any batch details. Start date and end date. Save this. Check the statistics again by reloading the page. Count is changed to 2. Now, finance statistics. Here you can see total income and expenses you have done for one day, today. It can be for last week or 2 weeks. You can see expenses is changed when we are selecting the different tab, different time duration. So now we will create an expense for today and we will check how it will be get reflected in finance section. Go to the school, go to administration, finance. Here you can see donation will be an income for the institution. There is no income for the day. So 29th I will add new income. Donor name, any meaningful name you can give. Description, date and amount. So now school got a new income. Let us check the statistics by reloading the page. You can see income is changed to 50,000. Let me collect some fees. By batch I will collect the fee. Select any available batch and their fees. Some particular I'll add extra. Now change the date to 29th and collect the amount. So fees will be an income for the institution. So if you are going to statistics again and reloading the page, you can see total income is changed to this much. It will include donation as well as fees. Now let us create some expense. Salary will be an expense for the institution. So we will go and create some salary now. Salary has been already generated for some employees. We will approve it now from finance section. Go to employee payslip management. Approve the payslip. Let me approve some payslip which is available here. So I'll approve this payslip. Now let us check the changes. There is no expense right now. Reload the page and expense is changed to this much. So like this, whenever we are making the changes in the school instance, automatically it will be get updated in the statistics. Like that, in fees you can see all the fee collected for a particular day or 2 weeks or 3 months or 6 months, and also you can see all the fee dues at a time. Now about this applicant registration, you can see total allotted student and registration. Now let me apply using applicant registration module. You can select any course. And you can apply here. You can fill your name, middle name, last name and other details. Okay, maximum elective and minimum elective here showing 0, so no need to select any elective. Father name. So this is my applicant registration. I can fill all the data. I can submit the attachments, then submit the application. So there is a new registration. Let us check the statistics again. Refresh the page. Registration change it to 1. So like this, whenever you are allotting the student into any of the class, it will come. Now student attendance register here, it is showing 0. Let me mark some absence. Go to menu, academics, attendance register. You can go for attendance register for the current day, select the batch, or else we will mark absence for a particular day, 17th of September. Let us make any reason and mark the absence. So 17th September we will check now. Go to administration, September 17th. So attendance has been changed to 99.9 because one student is absent. Now let us go to employee attendance marking. So it's showing 99.4%. We will mark absent for any employees. Go to administration, human resource, employee management. We will go to employee attendance registered and we will mark absence. Let me mark absence for some employees. Now let us check the statistics again by reloading the page. You can see attendance percentage is reduced again. It can be checked for particular school. For employee we have marked as absent. So this is how statistics will work in Fedina. In a single page you can see admitted, relieved student and employee details, course details, their finance details. In finance section you will get total income and expense. Income in the sense you can see fee which is collected from the finance section. It will not include hostel fee and it will not include transport fee. Only main fees you can see as income. Expense you can see all the salary which you have credited. In income section you can also see the donation which you have for the institution. In fee section you can see fees which you have collected from the main section, main fee. It will not include transport fee or hostel fee or any other fee. You can see student attendance as well as employee attendance. You can see applicant registration mode section, the registration which you got for the institution and allotted student for different classes. Now let us discuss the overall statistics available in account panel. Here you can see an option to see overall statistics. You can see overall statistics in academics, hostel, transport and library. So we will go through one by one. First you can click academics. Here you can see the list of school which you have created in this account panel and courses available, students and employee department. You can also search this course or student or employee department in detail by clicking this number. Here you can see all the courses which belongs to the school which is mentioned here, and number of batches, student, male or female relieved student and their fee dues. You can also see the batch details by clicking the number. So in overall statistics, second option you can see as hostel. You can see all the hostel details which we have created in different schools, and name of the building, number of available room, number of occupied room. You can see the room details here, and you can see the capacity, availability as well as rent for this. The third tab you can see transport section in overall statistics. You can see the number of vehicles and number of route available in that. Finally, you can see the library statistics. You can see the details of available books, book number and its name, name of the author and status. If it is available, borrowed or reserved, you can see the status. This is about the overall statistics available in your account panel. Thank you for watching the video.